Hi, welcome to SolidCAM. In this video, we will look at rotary machining. Rotary machining is a technology inside SolidCAM simultaneous machining, which allows the user to rough and finish parts that rotate around a particular axis. The parts could be extruder screws, simple screws, they could be turbine blades, or any other part that rotates around a particular axis in 4-axis. This particular technology is available in 4-axis. For example, I have a part in front of me which is a screw which does not have a constant pitch, it has a variable pitch. So parts like this can be easily roughed out using rotary roughing or rotary machining. So if you look at the toolpath that we have here, what we have is the target. We then have the tool, which is a 16 corner radius to bullnose tool, and that's it. I only define what is the step down, step over, and the tolerance. Once this is defined, calculation is pretty easy. You can just run the calculation. The calculation could take approximately 25 to 30 seconds depending on the size of the part and the length of the part and the complexity, of course. So there it is. We have done the roughing of this part in under 20-25 seconds. If I run the simulation of this toolpath, this is how it's going to look like. So it's a pure 4-axis toolpath. Can be used on a 5-axis machine and also can be used on a typical 4-axis machine to rough out and finish the part. The finishing in this case has been done using what we call as a geodesic machining, where we define the walls as a drive surface, and it's been done using two curves, morph between two curves. So it's pretty much clean toolpath that you have using geodesic. So you can use geodesic and finish the walls, and you can use geodesic also to finish the floor of this part. Thank you very much for watching this video.